I have purchased and have been testing out different affordable styling options, and today we're putting UG Scrunching Jelly to the test to see how it does as a single styler. I have shampooed and conditioned my hair and now I'm applying my leave-in. If you want to know what I used, then I will list the products in the description box. And now I'm using the Tangle Teaser brush to just quickly style my hair. Wasn't really in the mood to take my time today. And then once I've styled my hair, I'm starting to add the jelly. I have a feeling that this gel will be a more light to medium hold. It does kind of remind me a bit of the Noughty jelly, but the jelly from Noughty does feel a little bit thicker and stickier than this one. And from what I've seen others commenting about this gel, I believe it's very forgiving, which means it'd be a great option for newbies if you accidentally use too much product. This product reminds me of the typical kind of body lotion scent, very kind of artificial, and the jelly itself feels very lightweight. It was very easy to distribute in my hair. It wasn't sticky or anything, it wasn't thick, so I do think that this would be a good lightweight gel if you want some volume. I will now plop like I usually do, and a couple of weeks ago I made a video for beginners walking you through every step of my wash day, so make sure to check that out if you're feeling a little bit lost and you want a more slow-paced video. And then I will diffuse and I'll be back to show you the finished results. So the jelly has given us a slight little cast. I was getting more of a cast, but what happened was I thought my hair was dry, so I stopped diffusing, went about my day, let my hair settle a bit, and then I realized that my hair was still damp, my waves were falling out, so I just quickly blasted my hair again with the diffuser. I feel like it's looking better now. We're a bit stringy in places, and due to kind of how fast my waves are falling out, I definitely think that this gel is more of a light hold for me. I don't think it's gonna last very well. So I'm just gonna lightly scrunch this out. We don't really have much of a cast. Does look pretty though. When my hair was wet, the smell of the gel was very overpowering, but now my hair doesn't really smell of anything, so I'm glad about that. My hair does feel very soft. It almost feels like I've got nothing in it, which in my case usually means that my hair isn't going to last very well. And because my hair feels so soft, then that can sometimes mean that my hair falls a little bit flat as well. I feel like this gel is okay. I mean, it hasn't wowed me. I don't know why we're looking stringy. I would say that it was from using too much gel, but it doesn't feel like I have anything in my hair. It doesn't feel like I use too much gel. I mean, it looks nice, I guess. I'll be back to show you how this holds up over the next few days. Here is my day 2 hair, and as suspected, it didn't hold up very well. We've got some frizz and my waves are pretty fallen out. They're really loose. And my hair just feels like I don't have anything in it. It almost feels like I did not dedicate any time to washing my hair yesterday. Now, I didn't have high hopes for this gel in terms of hold, but because I see so many people recommending this as an affordable option, I was expecting more. This underperformed for me. I don't think it's a really great option for wavy hair. It doesn't even really have nice, nourishing ingredients that benefit our hair. It just kind of feels very like a manufactured product. So I don't even think that I would bother pairing this with the stronger hold gel. I know that they have a mousse. Maybe it would pair better with their mousse. I have seen that lots of really curly girls like this jelly. So if you do have curlier hair, then I think that this could be a good option for you, but for wavy hair, we can find something better. If you want to learn how I protect my hair at night and different options, how you can protect yours, then make sure to check out this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!